Going bros, I'm Bulldog7511 and today I'll be showing you a walkthrough of this Porsche 911 Carrera model. So guys, let's get started. Here is the Porsche model Carrera. As you can see there, it is clearly a Porsche. There's the light with the nice orange there. Here is another light with the nice orange. There is a number plate there just for pure decoration. And we can open this boot, so let's do so. It's a bit of a challenge, but it's doable. Right, bros, so here it is inside of the boot. As you can see, there is all the luggage all around there. So that's pretty cool. Clips in just like that. Here is the front. As you can see, there's a mirror right over there. Head things, steering wheel, forgot what that's called, dash station, the air cons and stuff. Now, let's just take a look at the quick back. There is the engine. There was a roof here. I mean a bonnet there, but it did get taken off. Here is the engine. As you can see, it is a twin exhaust. Tire. Yes, it does move, as you can see, but it is a model car, not a racing toy car. There's the back window. Has got a window wiper over there. Does not move, unfortunately. Same over here. They do not move. Right, so let's take a look inside. So here is our front, right over there. Nice interior. Let's just pull this seat down right over there, just like that. There is our back seat, pretty good. Just put that back, just like that. Close the door. Let's take a look on the other side. Look, as you can see that there are mirrored mirrors. Nice interior there. Here is our, sorry about this video. Okay, here is our steering wheel, right over there. It can come down if need be. And can go back up. Here are our indicators and whatnot. Dashboard, the pedals down there, and once again this does open just like so. Just put it down, bam, just like that. Then you can see that there is that nice back thing over there. When you look deeply inside there, and you do see our nice back seats over there. So this is a pretty cool car, not quite expensive model. Tires. So this is a pretty expensive model. Just put this back up. So this is a pretty expensive model, pretty awesome stuff. So bros, if you did like this video, please just give us a thumbs up. If you like my videos, you may just click that subscribe button, and I'd really appreciate it. If you'd like me to do any tutorials, anything like parkour or air rifle or anything whatsoever, you can just ask me and I will do so. Like absolutely anything, backflips, forward flips, I don't mind. I'll do anything you guys want me to. So please just let me know, and I will get around to doing that, bros. So once again, I am Bulldog7511, and hope to see you soon. Cheers, bros.